Hello friends, this is our channel Keep Learning. We are going to learn one or the other things every day. Today we are going to see about performance testing. In this video, we'll see what is a performance testing and what are the different types of performance testing and what kind of tools can be used for performance testing towards the end of this video. Please subscribe this channel if you like the video and also comment if you have any clarifications. Thank you. Okay, before going into performance testing, first we will see what is a testing. So testing is something about assuring the quality, right? And here we are speaking about software. So we have to assure the quality of the software. We have to make sure we are developing a right software and giving it to the market, right? So that is where testing is useful. So we are all quality assurance team. We make sure a quality product is given to the market. Now we will see what are the types of testing. There are two types, functional testing and non-functional testing. Functional testing is to ensure the functionality of the product is right, and non-functional testing is beyond the functional. Like it can be a security testing. Security testing cannot be a functional testing. It can be measuring the speed of a software, measuring the volume of the software, measuring the capacity of the software. All these comes under non-functional testing. So performance testing is coming under non-functional testing. We will see more about performance testing, what are its concepts and how we are going to do a performance testing. Okay, first we will see what is a performance testing. Performance testing is nothing about ensuring the quality in terms of performance of a software. Performance can be measured in terms of speed, capacity, volume and so on. I will tell you a study which has been a recent study where they have mentioned the importance of performance testing. There has been an industry which has developed a website which earns about $10,000 a month. Okay. And this website has been getting around 5 million views every year. Now, what is observed is this website has been slowed down for a second. So there is a 1 second slowdown which eventually decreased around 10% of its views and 20% of its subscribers. So eventually what happened is 20% or 25% in average of business has been stopped in this website company, right? So what does it mean? 25% of this dollar amount has been decreased. What will happen if this 1 second slowness goes to 5 second slowness or maybe 10 seconds slow? Then this company has to be shut down, right? So that is why we have to ensure the performance. We have to make sure we are delivering the software in a right performance. There are a lot of tools available in the market. So I have listed down a few. JMeter, it's a free open source tool which is available for your scripting and load testing purpose. And LoadRunner is a licensed version. They are also providing a 50 users free license in a community edition. LoadUI is from SoapUI. Again, it's a licensed version. So these are all the scripting as well as execution tools. There are some more APM tools which is for monitoring purpose, for monitoring of the servers and measuring the performance of the system. These have active dashboards which can indicate like which server is going wrong at what particular time in the production environment. So we will see one by one of these tools. First I'm going to pick LoadRunner for our video. Now we'll see the life cycle of performance testing. Similar to software testing life cycle, we have PTLC for performance testing. It is almost same as STLC. The first step is non-functional requirements gathering. Second step is test planning. Then comes scripting. After that, execution. Then result sharing. And then closure. This is the life cycle of the performance testing. First, we will gather all the non-functional requirements for a system, and then we will do a test planning for doing performance testing, and then the performance script will be created, then the performance execution will be performed, and then the result will be shared with the stakeholders, and then comes the closure, where like we will sign off that this product is all good for performance. Now let's see the next topic. Now we will see some types of performance testing. The first and foremost thing is load test. Then comes the stress test, volume, endurance test, scalability test, and there are much more types of performance testing like disaster recovery testing and so on. Security testing also comes under sometimes under performance testing. Okay, so I'll just give a brief introduction about all these tests. Load test is doing a performance test of an application with a particular user load. Like let's say the application like Amazon. Amazon has lakhs of customers, right? So they will be doing a performance test for like around 1,000 users in average. That's one example. Maybe they might be doing more. Stress test. Okay, so now the same Amazon system has to know how much number of concurrent users it can handle. So they will be keep on increasing the number of users and keep on stressing the server, and they will come out to know like what is the breaking point of the system. So that is the stress test. Volume test is nothing but we will load plenty of data in our database, and we will do the same kind of flow which we have done in the load test. Endurance test is nothing but an aging test, which is similar to the load test, but load test will be running for a particular few number of hours, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours, but endurance test will run for like 8 hours, 16 hours, maybe for a week or more than that. This is to know what is the availability of the system when we are running for more longer duration. Scalability test. Scalability test is to see like if the system is scalable in case if we are increasing the hardware platform or software platform, or maybe an upgrade like software upgrade or a hardware upgrade, and see what is the performance. For example, if we are increasing the RAM size and see what is the performance, is it similar to the what we have been seeing before, or what way it is being degraded after increasing the RAM performance. Similarly, if we are upgrading an Oracle version, is the performance is going to degrade or it's going to be better than that. So that's what the scalability testing is. And these are the types of performance testing. There are much more, as I have already told. Now I'm going to go much deeper into the subject matter, but I need to pick a tool so that I can show much more examples and what we are going to speak about, right? So for that I'm going to pick Load Runner. As our active tool now. So I'm going to show examples in Load Runner. I can also use JMeter for similar purpose. I will try to show examples in both the applications so that you can make a comparison and maybe you can learn both the applications. But mostly I will focus on Load Runner. Again, I will come to JMeter. In our next video, we will see more concepts using Load Runner. What is a Load Runner and what are all the components present in the Load Runner, and how we are going to use it for scripting, execution and analysis purpose. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos so that we can keep learning. Thank you.